Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can report a problem on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the app icon on the top left side on the screen and click to the having an issue option on the left side on the screen. And step on it to the support desk button and select categories and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.